Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. In previous videos you learned how to find the LCM of the number by prime factorization method. In today's class we are going to discuss how to find the LCM by division method. Here, let us take one example from your exercise. I will take first here one easy example. Next I will solve some examples from your textbook. So here when you are finding the LCM of the number, you know how to find only two digit numbers LCM. But not only we can find the two numbers LCM, we can see here in your exercise they given three numbers, four numbers are there. So let us find the four numbers LCM. So let us take one example, and I am taking these examples from your exercise 2.3 and page number 30. So here I will take 28, next 42, 35 and 33. So let us check these numbers are divisible by which numbers. So I will see here. Here 28 is there, 42 is there, 35 is there, 33 is there. But these two numbers are there, no, they are divisible by 2. Okay, so here 5, already you know divisibility rules. In ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. So here only two numbers are there, they are divisible by 2. So I will take this here. Then take here 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Next I will keep here 35 as it is and 33 as it is. Why? Because these two numbers are not, will not divide with 2. Next here, see here 14 is there, 21 is there and 35 is there and 33 is there. But these three numbers are there, no, they are the multiples of 7. So I can divide this three numbers by 7. Okay, so take here 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35 and this 33 as it is. I hope you are getting my point. Why I took this 14, 21, 35 as 7 as a divisor? Because here 14, 21, 35 are the multiples of 7. So here what is there? 2, 3, 5, 13 is there. Here 2 is there, 5 is there, but 3 is there, no? We can divide with this 33 also. So I will take here 3 and you write 2 as it is. 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, and this 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So here 2, 5, 11 are directly what are there? Prime numbers are there. So directly you take 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is, 5 and this 11. Again you take here 5, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5, 11 as it is. Again you take 11, this 1 same, 1 same, 1 same, then 11 1s are 11. Next what we need to do? We need to multiply this all the numbers. See this vertical line, how many numbers are there, no? That all I need to divide. So let us take here, multiply this 2 into 7 into 3, next here 2, next 5, next 11. See here which numbers are there, no? That same numbers I wrote here. See here 2, next 7, next 3, 2, 5 and 11. Next you need to multiply this all the numbers. By multiplying I will get here answer as here 4620. I will take answer here as 4620. So right here 4620 as the answer. See here means in prime factorization method you have divided both the numbers separately, but here you need to divide the numbers all together. And dear students, for this you need to know tables. Okay, if you don't know tables then you can't solve these examples, and you have to know the divisibility rules also. Very easy divisibility rules are there, but that you need more practice. So let us take one more example from your textbook, and that is I will take here next is 28, 42 over. Next I will take one more example. I will take here one small example. Let us take here 12 and 15. Okay, 12 and 15. So take here. So 12 and 15 are there in 3 ones are table. So take here 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, next you take here 4 as usual. 4 ones are 4 and here 5. Again you take 5, 1 and 1. So multiply this 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, multiply here 3 4s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So here LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. While solving you take easy examples, next you go to difficult examples. And one more thing, while solving you solve whichever examples I have solved here, no, that you first solve, next you do the homework examples and solve each example 2 to 3 times. So here, so these are the very easy examples, and if you know this prime factor, division method, then only you are going to solve fractions lessons examples. So please keep practicing these examples. So let us take one more example. I will take here 100. I will take here from your exercise, and that is 100. Next here 1000 is there, 100, 1000, 210, and next 185. See here 4 digits are there, so its LCM will come very big. So here, so take here in ones place 0, 0, 0 and 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. In ones place 0 and 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. Already I told when I was teaching the divisibility rules. So take this, divide these numbers, 5 2s are 10 and here 0, 5 2s are 10 and here 2 zeros, means this 0, this 2 zeros. Next here 5 4s are 20, 1 remain and 5 2s are 10. Next here 5 3s are 15, 3 remain, 5 7s are 35. So here 5 7s are 35. 20 by dividing 100 I got here 20. 242 and 37. Next you need to take here 4. Okay, so these numbers are, see here 20, this 200, this 42, might be they will divide with 4. So let us divide this number. See here 4 5s are 20, here 4 5s are 20, this 0 as it is. Next here 42 is there, means 4 1s are 4 and here this number will not divide with 4. Okay, so you keep as it is 42 and you keep as it is 37 because that number will not divide with 4. Next here see 5 is there, 50 is there, 42 is there and 37 is there. So I will take here, see here 5 and 15 is there, means I will take here 5. So take here 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50. Again you take here 42 as it is and 37 as it is. Okay. Next see this number 10 and 42 is there, means I will take here 2. Okay. Say take here 2, 1 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and here 37 as it is. So here 5 21 and I got 37. So again you take here 5, 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5 and take here 21. Next here 37. Next again you take here, if you are taking directly 21, no problem. Again you take here 37. You can take directly 21. So take here 21, 1, 1, 1 and here 37. Again you take 37, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So these are the factors of this 100, 1000, 210 and 185. Next I need to multiply this number 5 into 4 into 5 into 2. Next 5, next 21, next 37. So multiply these numbers. By multiplying, I will get here 7,70,000. I will get here answer. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 7,77,000 is the LCM of these numbers. Dear students, for this you need more practice. Solve this example 3 to 4 times. Then only it becomes perfect. Multiply this. 5 4s are 20, 25s are 100, 100 2s are 200, 200 5s are here, 200 5s are 10,000. Next you multiply with this 21,000. 21,000 into 37 will come here. 7,77,000 will be the answer. Okay. So let us take one more example, and I will take here yes, I will take here 25, 30, 40 and 75. See here, in ones place 0 and 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. So take here 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, next here 5 8s are 40, next 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Again you take here 5 1s are 5, 6 as it is, 8 as it is, and 5 3s are 15. So again you take here 3, 1 as it is, 3 2s are 6, 8 as it is, 3 1s are 3. Next you take here 2, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 1 as it is. Directly you can take 4, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 4 1s are 4, and this one as it is. And multiply this number 5 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 4. See here, by multiplying this I will get answer here, and that is 4,620. No, not 4,560. Here I will get 600 as the answer. See here, 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75, 75 2s are here 150. 154s are here, what will come? 600. So the least common multiple is 600. Dear students, here I have solved exercise 2.3 fourth main. Find the LCM of the following numbers by division method. In next class, I will discuss the relation between HCF and LCM of two natural numbers. Okay. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.